Your body breaks, but then your body is fine. You know I'm open to yours, and I'm open to mine. Your body aches, and that ache takes its time, but you'll get over yours, and I'll get over mine. And the sun will shine, and the moon will rise. Your body calls, yeah, your body calls out. It whispers at first, but it ends with a shout. Your body burns, yeah, your body burns strong. Until mine is with yours, then mine will burn on. My flesh sings out, it sings, Mama, come put me out. Your body sways like the wind on a swing, a bridge through a hoop or a lake through a ring. Your body stays, then your body moves on, but you know I'd really rather not dwell on when yours will be gone. Still within the dark, there'll always be a little shine. One tiny spark, forever yours and mine.